The root cause of last year's deadly Key Bridge collapse: one loose wire and one misplaced wire label. That's what the NTSB found at the end of its meeting today.
None of us should be here today. This tragedy should have never occurred. Lives should have never been lost. As with all accidents that we investigate, this was preventable.
The National Transportation Safety Board determined the probable cause of the Key Bridge collapse was a misplaced label sticker on a loose wire, one wire on the massive 213 million pound container ship Dali.
The Dali is almost 1,000 feet, and it's as long as the Eiffel Tower is high, with miles of wiring and thousands of electrical connections. Locating a single wire that is loose among thousands of wires is like looking for a loose bolt in the Eiffel Tower.
The shipbuilders put the label in the wrong place, the NTSB found. The placement prevented a solid connection.
There were significant issues as a result of this.
The loose wire caused the Dali's initial blackout, which set off a cascade of electrical and mechanical failures. The Dali hit the bridge collapsed, and 6 members of an overnight road crew fell to their deaths.
It was a terrible day for him. He had to relive the entire experience.
This was an emotional and difficult day for victims and family members in attendance. Attorney Billy Murphy called it triggering for his client and said the NTSB's final report is not the end of this story.
That everything will be decided in a court of law, and it's not over until it's over.
In addition to the cause, the NTSB also adopted more than 24 new findings in the investigation and issued a slew of safety recommendations. The chair said the next step to meet with members of Congress about the final report that was issued today and push for those recommendations to be implemented. In Washington, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.